All right, this tutorial is about dot plots. All right, we have three different shapes of dot plots. You can have skewed left, you can have symmetric, or you can have skewed right. Now, skewed left is called left because most of the data is on the right. Symmetric is just that. It is symmetrical. If I were to fold it in half, most of the information would actually meet when you fold it up. Skewed right is called right because most of your data is on the left. Okay. The center. So the mean and the median represent the center. I can easily find the mean. I can easily find the median. When data is skewed, the median is the best representation. When data is symmetric, the mean is the best representation. Now your spread. This can be represented by the range. It describes how far apart the data is from one another, and it's also called variability. Now let's work through an example here. We have Mrs. Alba. She has asked her students how many books they read over the summer. And so here is our data. All right, that's a lot of numbers. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, when you add up how many kids answered, that you get 20. All right, we're going to need to know that later. Total is 20 students. Okay, to create a dot plot for this, you simply just go down the line and you put a dot above the number that is given to you. And we could be here forever trying to get those all done. So hang on just a second. And just like that, we have our dot plot created. Okay. Wow. All right. What is the mode? Well, that's easy. Okay. Dot plots give you a very visual representation here. So the mode would be 2 because it has the most dots above. The mean, well, I would actually have to add all these numbers together and then divide by 20. Okay. So I can tell you right now, all of those added together give me 50. And I'm going to divide by 20 the amount of students that she has in her class. Okay, so we're going to do 50 divided by 20 equals 2.5. So my average is 2.5 books. The range, I'm going to take the largest number and I'm subtract the smallest, and I get 6. Now, describing the shape. Well, most of my data is really right here. Okay, is it symmetrical? No. I would have to say it is very close to being skewed right. Okay, I hope that helps.